All right, welcome back to the channel. My name's Big John. This is going to be our second live fire drill today. This is going to be a variation of the bill drill. Now, the bill drill is basically a polar opposite of what we shot on the first video, where we were strictly concerned with accuracy and marksmanship. This is at the other extreme. Now we're working specifically on speed, but also realizing that we've got to get our hits. So we've got roughly a 6-inch circle. We'll be 3 to 4 yards, somewhere thereabout. The original bill drill was 6 rounds. I'm assuming because when they were starting it, it was with revolvers. Now we're going to just do 5 rounds each string, and we're going to do it in the form of a cadence. Now, also, this is where, when we reviewed our stance and our grip, this is where it's going to become critical. Because what we don't want to be fidgeting with the gun. We don't have to readjust our grip between shots. It should recoil, come back the same place every time. Quick as it's out of recoil, we should be ready to fire again. Now remember, each shot, we've got a sight picture before the shot goes off and a sight picture in recovery. And once we get that second sight picture, we're good to go again. So the idea is, how fast can we run our sights? How fast can we see our sights, get our hits? Now again, like we said, we'll do this as a cadence. So the first string of 5, we're going to do it roughly a 1-second split. So it'll be 1,000 bang, 1,000 bang, 1,000 bang for 5 shots. Roughly a second between. Our second string is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. That should give us roughly a 1/2 second split between shots. Then our last string is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that should get us about a 1/4 second split, which is, for right now, is where I would like to be and still have my hits. So that's what we're going to do. And I'll have my timer. I've got my pack timer running. And so after each string, I'll call out the split times to see how consistent we were. We would like to be within a few 100 seconds each time. And again, like I say, get our splits. So here we go. One 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, 1,004, 1,005. Well, my splits were a little longer than I thought. It was 1.3, 1.6, 1.5, 1.6. So, but I did get decent hits. So we're going to try it again, but this will be 1 and 2 and 3. One and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Okay, so we're 0.96, 0.82, 0.8, 0.77. Okay, now our last 5 is just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've got a fairly decent group, and it's relatively centered. I am a little low and to the left. So hopefully we can keep them in the circle. Okay. Our split is 0.23, 0.25, 0.24, 0.23. So we're consistently just under a 1/4 second splits. I'm happy with that. Also, I got 2 a little high, but I cut a fairly decent group, even though it is a little to the left and low. So my bill drill went better than my dot drill did. We're going to do another live fire video. It won't be today. The bottom is getting dry enough. I've been able to cut grass down there. And rather than doing it up here at 75 meters, we'll do the down at the bottom first of the week. And we'll do a true 100-7. It'll be the 100 meter to 7 meter with carbine. And we'll go over that. So I hope this is beneficial. Hope this helped. Like I say, right here, the trick is running your front sight, a good grip, and a good stance to control recoil. And then you can get decent hits So if you have any comments, questions, criticisms, witticisms, put them in the box. I appreciate it. If I can help you anyway, let me know. Thank you very much.